Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice dancing icon. It's like a good pose for a dancing girl. Let's start the drawing from the face. So we're drawing the face right now, putting the hair. Okay, you can see the face. So this is the outlines for the hair. Okay. As the dancing positions, she is putting the hands to the upward directions. So as you know, it's like a iconic drawing, so not all the details is necessary, just the basic shape and outlines is necessary. So we're drawing the outlines like this. You can see the hands, she has a dress here, and another hands are like on the top position, and it has a special outlines like this. So this is the dancing positions. So hands has a special type of angles, as you can see from here. Okay, the dress ends here. This little portion is exposed and another portion starts from here. There's the tops and the bottom parts looks like this, and we extend the line up to this. Okay, another line is extended here up to this. All right, and you can see the separation points of the two legs here. For this leg we are going to put the trouser ends up here, and you can see the legs. Okay, and on the other side you can see all right. So this is the basic figure. We are going to put it on a platform, so it's going to be a dais at the bottom of our leg. Sometimes, the Filmfare Award, these types of uh, crazy and nice, visually looking good prize is given. So this is very honorable, and it has a special respect for the achievement. That's why its design is so artistic. So after putting the shades here, let's put some shades on top of the dais. We're using the wooden color platform, so putting the deep color to the border outlines and the light shade in the middle. Okay, for the trouser you can see I'm putting the purple color to the outlines to show the nice impact of the presentations. So let's put the colors along the border outlines, making the deep color to the outlines, and as we progress to the middle or center point, the light color is coming up. All right, so you can see the light colors for the trousers. Okay, it's just a symbolic presentation, so we're putting it as simple as possible, not so complicated. And the top portion is going to be another separate color. As you know, maybe we're going to put the blue color for the dress on the upper section. Okay, so you can put the blue colors. All right, and here it's going to be the dark one Okay, so putting the 4B pencil, using the 4B pencil, and sometimes you can also use the 6B pencils. It's like the expansions of the darkness. Looks good, looks good. The here we're putting it into a black configurations, so the black colors all over the hair. One side is done. We're moving to details on the other sides. Okay. And some parts are just to remain unchanged, so we're going to put the orange color for the body parts here. Let's put orange color. Just making the border outlines orange. Okay, so you can see the outlines, really nice tone, the skin tone. Okay, as you know, the dancers has a very nice body shape because of the exercise and the fitness they need to perform the art. They need to be stay fit all the time. That's why they need a perfect shape of their figure. It's coming from the exercise. Okay, now the body color is almost done. So for the face, maybe just putting the simple details, the eyebrow, eyes, the nose and the mouth smiling. Awesome. So this is the drawing, and I'm not going for any other special modifications. I always try to make it as simple as possible. Oh, little portion left here behind. Okay, and maybe we're going to put some shades variations along these points. Okay, sometimes putting the emphasis to the borders to make it uniform transitions, and the smooth color presentations make it more looking good. That's why for increase the smoothness we're just using some pencils for more details. This is the fact that the more use the details, the more the drawing is going to be look good. So you have to put it a longer time to do the outlines, all the outlines in details, so that it does looks nice. Also for the dress, just go along the borders to show the exterior performance. Nice looking. Okay, so the tops looks good right now. As we go forward with all the color combinations. Awesome. So this is the drawing. You can see the dancing girl on the platform. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. You can also browse through the playlist. We have lots of drawings in different categories. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.